Okay, I need you to do me a favor. So I found this strange glitch in the matrix. Just kidding, not really in the matrix, in the Schoology/Google relationship. As I was giving feedback on last Wednesday's submission. So last Wednesday is when you resubmitted your revised post-reading questions, right? You ostensibly, if you did what you were supposed to do, you watched that video that I made on, what my expectations were for the post-reading questions, and then you revised and resubmitted. What I found out when I was pretty deep into the process, which is why I can't go back and recheck because it would take too long, and why I'm asking you to do it, is that some of you actually did do the revisions in the original Google document. And if I go to the old assignment, I can see your revisions. But when you submitted to the newer assignment, the one on Wednesday, they kind of disappeared. I'm going to show you what I mean in just a sec. Okay, so what you're seeing here is, this is just a screenshot because I wanted to take out any identifying information. So this student, it was clear when I looked at this, I was like, hey, this person didn't make any revisions. Golly gee, what the heck is going on? And this is, this is the work of a student who is typically very conscientious and hardworking. And so I decided to go back into this student's original Google document assignment, the Google assignment from the week before. And this is what I saw. Wait a second, that shows a whole lot of revisions. Check it out. Everything that you see written in red and highlighted in yellow represents a really well done and thoughtful revision. But in the process of going from that original Google document to the new submission, it's all gone. It disappeared. So that's a glitch. That's not. This happened frequently enough that I know it's a glitch, or it probably had something to do with the way you went from the original assignment to the new assignment. So with that, I would like each of you to check. And here's how I'm going to have you do that. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to go into last Wednesday when you resubmitted your revised post-reading questions. I would like you to go and look at your own submission, which you can do. You go into the assignment and then there's a submission tab and you click it and then you'll see your submission and you open it up and look at it. If it is your revised submission, fantastic. If you open it up and you look at it and you say, wait a second, I did all these revisions and they're not here, and now Ms. Rosine thinks I didn't revise, oh dear, go back into the original Google Doc. But what you'll probably have to do, because whatever you did the first time was the thing that didn't work, so go into the original Google Doc that does show the revisions. And I think your best bet is probably going to be to go to the file menu, or the upper, I think it's up in the upper left-hand corner, where you have the option to make a copy. And then it will make a whole new Google Doc that's no longer attached to that old, because this is where I think the problem is. It'll be no longer attached to that old Schoology submission. And then take that new one, resubmit it to last Wednesday's post-reading submission, and shoot me an email and tell me that you did it. And I'll go back in as soon as I possibly can. I will go back in and reevaluate, look at it again. Hopefully it's not a huge number of you, but I did notice it. Once I noticed it once, I started looking for it. Okay, so that's what you need to do. That's going to be like the first thing that you do after you submit your project. Peace out.